Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Yung i-vlog ko ngayon, yung tungkol sa Physalis. Kasi, ang spelling yan, Physalis. Kasi, nag-vlog na rin ako ng ganito. Kaso lang, ang daming nag-comment na, ate ano yan, hindi nila alam yan. Pagkatapos, may mga nag-comment din na, sabi nila na, sa Pinas daw ay damo lang daw yun, hindi kinakain. Kasi dito, ang mahal nito, yung sale ito na pagka binili ko ito ng sale, 12 Swedish crown siguro. Ang kasi ngayon, kulang-kulang 60 kung ang 1 crown ba ay 56 o 57, hindi ko alam. Halimbawa, 1 crown nila dito, times 5. Yung yung 10 pala. Yung 10 ay, kung 56 ba yun o 57, 12 ko lang ito na nabili. Yung ganito to, aywan ko kung ilang gram ito kasi walang nakalagay. Nung mag-vlog ako nito, maraming nagtanong, ate ano ba yan, ganun-ganun. Pagkatapos, may mga rin comment dyan na, ate ano lang yan, yung damo yan dito, marami yan o ganun-ganun. Yung iba naman, sabi nila hindi daw ito kinakain. Yung iba naman, sabi nila ay nakakain na daw sila, pero konti lang ang nagsabi na nakakain. Kaya ipapakita ko ulit ito sa inyo. Ito yon. Ito. Ayan. Ayan ang itsura niya. Ayan. Para makita nyo. Pagkatapos ito. Tapos bubuksan natin siya. Ayan yan siya. Ayan. Ayan siya. Pagkatapos gusto kong basahin ko to sa inyo yung Physalis. Gusto kong basahin. Yan ang itsura niya. Kagaya ng sabi ko. Ayan. Saka gusto kong basahin sa inyo. Physalis is a genus of flowering plants in the nightshade family Solanaceae, which grow in warm, temperate, and subtropical regions of the world. Most of the species, of which 75 to 90 may exist, are indigenous to the Americas. Cultivated species and weedy annuals have been introduced worldwide. A notable feature is the formation of a large, papery husk derived from the calyx, which partly or fully encloses the fruit. The fruit is small and yellow to orange, similar in size, shape, and structure to a small tomato, hence the name husk tomatoes. At least 46 species are endemic to Mexico. Many Physalis species are called ground cherries. One name for Physalis peruviana is Inca berry. Another is Cape gooseberry, not to be confused with gooseberries of the genus Ribes, family Grossolariaceae. Other names used to refer to the fruit are puha berries and golden berries. Description: Physalis species are herbaceous plants growing to 0.4 to 3.0 meter tall, similar to the common tomato. A plant of the same family but usually with a stiffer, more upright stem. They can be either annual or perennial. Most require fall sun and fairly warm to hot temperatures. Some species are sensitive to frost, but others, such as the Chinese lantern, kikingi, tolerate severe cold when dormant in winter. Cultivation and uses. These plants grow in most soil types and do very well in poor soils and in pots. They require moisture until fruiting. Plants are susceptible to many of the common tomato diseases and pests, and other pests such as aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, and the false potato beetle, Leptonarsa juncta, also attack them. Propagation is by seeds. Some species are self-incompatible and require pollen from other plants to bear fruit. Not all Physalis species bear edible fruit. Select species are cultivated for their edible fruit. However, the typical Physalis fruit is similar to a firm tomato in texture and like strawberries or pineapple in flavor with a mild acidity. Kaya pinapaalalahanan ko lang kayo na baka may makita kayong ganito, mayroon palang hindi pwedeng kainin, mayroon naman pwedeng kainin. Huwag kayong basta-basta kakain ng kung ano-ano na hindi nyo alam. Kasi dito sa Sweden, may mga halaman dito na parang mga din sila, mga bears dito. Pero may nga poisonous pala yun. Oo. Kaya yun na yung mga bata, kailangan hindi nila kakainin yun. Ano ba yun? Some species such as the Cape gooseberry and tomatillo have been bred into many cultivars with varying flavors, from tart to sweet to savory. Physalis fruit are rich in cryptoxanthin. The fruit can be used like the tomato. Once extracted from its husk, it can be eaten raw and used in salads. Some varieties are added to desserts used as flavoring, made into fruit preserves, or dried and used like raisins. They contain pectin and can be used in pie filling. Ground cherries are called puha in the Hawaiian language, and puha jam and preserves are traditional desserts made from Physalis plants grown of the Hawaiian islands. The Cape gooseberry is native to the Americas, but is common in many subtropical areas. It's used in South Africa near the Cape of Good Hope, inspired its common name. Other species of commercial importance include the tomatillo, Philadelphia. Some nations such as Colombia have a significant economic trade in Physalis fruit. Physalis are widely cultivated in India. Some species are grown as ornamental plants. For example, the hardy Physalis likikingi has edible small fruits, but is most popular for its large, bright orange to red husk. In Chinese medicine, Physalis species are used to treat such conditions as abscesses, coughs, fevers, and sore throat. Smooth ground cherry, P. subdiabrata, is classified erroneously as a hallucinogenic plant, and its cultivation to others than ornamental purposes is outlawed in the United States of Louisiana under State Act 1159. The extinct Dacian language has left few traces, but in the Materia Medica by Pedanius Dioscorides, a plant called Strychnos alicacabus is discussed, which was called Cicolis or Cycolis by the Dacian. Some have considered this plant to be P. alikikinji, but the name more likely refers to Ashwagandha, Witanya somnifera. Yan yun. Nakalimutan ko kanina ng yung sa grocery haul ba, yung bumili din ako, ito yung green pepper, yung malalaki kasi linalagay ko yan dyan sa sa sauce pag ako kay Sminirik ng niya ng steak. Pagkatapos itong tandoori, parang ilalagay ko ito sa sa lamb kasi nakalagay dito perfect for chicken and lamb. Mayroon akong diyan, mayroon akong yung whitey friend na nag-comment siya, sabi niya, ate, ang sarap niyan pag may rosemary, yung daw yung lamb. Hindi pa ako naggumamit ng rosemary sa ko sa pagluluto ko, sa totoo yun ha. Kaya ito nakita ko, rosemary sana ang yung bibilhin ko. Pero nakita ko to, kaya ito yung itratry ko sa lamb pag nagluto ako sa linggo, di ba, Esther yun. Pagkatapos ito naman, kasi yung anak ko na mahilig sa mga Japanese, wasabi and sesame, perfect for salmon and chicken. Ko to. Hindi ko rin pa ito na gamit noon, pero yung wasabi na yan, kasi sa mga Japanese restaurant, mayroon naman yan, nakakain na yan, yung bata na yan. Kaya yun. Okay guys, thank you ulit for watching. Ingat lang tayo palagi and stay safe. Bye-bye.